Welcome to J&J's test video for 9523. This is a 1998 Corvette. 6-speed manual, 342 rear end. It was a trade-in. Just got some normal issues. Been hopped up. Mismatched wheels. Interior's not that great. But it runs good. Sounds good. Show you what we got. It's got a little squeaky belt. Sounds all right. And let's see what we got here. It might not give me the mileage on it. Nope. I do not know the miles off the top of my head, but it does hold oil pressure. Gas gauge is empty. Radio's missing a knob. Climate control works. Headlights. I think one popped up, the other one didn't. We'll check that out. There they go. Sometimes they get tired. Oh, see, sometimes it works and other times it don't. Door mirrors. This door is broken. Door mirror might not work, but I actually think it's the China switch down here. Alright, let's close that hood and see if I can drive it. It's stalled a couple times pulling out. C5s sometimes don't like to run if their batteries aren't perfect. If they got a bad battery, it might not move. And it's just like when you put the clutch in, it'll just die out. See? Doop. It just doesn't want to stay running. Yeah. That runs good though. It starts right back up, but I think it's the theft. Yep, that's the end of that. All right. As always, thank you for watching and have your pets spayed and neutered.